Alright guys, let's talk about the alignment options now. When we talk about alignment group has options related to the text alignment, be it your text written in a cell or in a row or in a column or the entire worksheet. So let's see all these alignment options one by one. So first we will be talking about the alignment option, then we will be talking about the orientation options, then we will be talking about merge and center, and then we will be talking about wrap text. So let's first see the alignment options. So this is our data on which we will be seeing the alignment options. So when we say alignment, there are different kind of alignments available in Excel sheet, and those alignments are top alignment, middle alignment, bottom alignment, left alignment, right alignment, and center alignment. So let's see each of these options one by one. So suppose this is the data we have, and in this data you can see that the header row is having the text alignment as bottom. Text is aligned with the bottom of the cell, and this rest of the data is aligned in the top of the cell. So if you want a similar kind of alignment for header and the data, so what we do is just select this complete set of data along with the header, and these are the options you can have. This is called top alignment, then it is called middle alignment, and this is called bottom alignment. So right now it is because header is having bottom alignment and we started selecting this data from bottom. That's why it is showing as the bottom alignment. Now suppose we want the complete data to be aligned in middle. Just click on this particular option. So now you can see that your complete data has formatted with middle alignment. You want to make it top alignment, just select the complete data and click on top. So the complete data will be top aligned. Now we want not only top aligned, we want it to be center of the column. So for that, what you do is there are three more options. One is called left align, then it is called middle align or center align, and this is called the right align. So we'll say center align. So now you can see the complete data along with the header, it is centrally aligned now. These are the different 6 options for alignment. It is top, middle, bottom, left, right, and center. So whatever data you want to align, just select that particular data and pick the options from here. Let's move to the next option as orientation. For orientation, we are taking the same data. Now let's see how we use the orientation options. In this data set, we see that the header row, which is there in a horizontal orientation right now, we want to change the orientation of this. So what you do is just select this particular, select the header row and come to this particular option. It is this option is orientation, and in orientation you have multiple options available. Angle counterclockwise, angle clockwise, vertical text, rotate text up, rotate text down. All these options are the standard options where you will be having a standard predefined angle of the text. Suppose if you apply this one, so just see this is giving a 45-degree angle to your text. If you want to apply some other one that is angle clockwise, then it will give 45-degree down. So this is the way you can use these options. If you want to use these orientation options from either you can use it from here, but if you want the orientation to be aligned in a particular angle, the angle which you want to define by yourself. So what you do is just click on this additional dialog box, and in the additional dialog box you can have this alignment tab. In the alignment tab you have this, there is an option called orientation. In orientation you can give the angle by yourself. So either you can use this line and you can move it on the along with the angles like this, and you can give whatever orientation you want to give to your text. And if I'll say okay, the text has been moved to I think 30 degree. What else you can do is you can write your angle directly here itself, say 30 degree, and say okay. So this is the way you can give a particular orientation or a particular angle to your text, which is not a predefined one. Let's move to the next option, that is merge and center. In the merge and center, if suppose we have this particular data and we want to give a header or we want to give a heading to this particular table, we want to have that heading across this table as it was there in earlier tables, like this, like text orientation or like this cell alignment. So if you want something like that, so what you do is just write your text in one of the cell and then select all the cells where you want this data to be merged. After selecting those cells, come to this particular option, merge and center. Click on that. As soon as you will click on merge and center, this data will be centered and all the cell which you have selected being merged. And if you want to give a particular color to this, go to fill color and select a color from here, whatever color you want to give. Text color you want to change the text color. This is the way you can use the merge and center option. And this merge and center option, it has a couple of more options as well, make it original the way it was. And in merge and center you have other options as merge across, merge cells, unmerge cells. So merge and center is like when you say merge and center, it will merge your data and it will merge your cells and make the data as centered. But if you want that data should not be centered, but it is only the cell gets merged. So what you do is just come here and say merge cells. So as soon as you will say merge cells, the cells will merge, but data will not move away from the cells to the center. Same option you can have from the additional dialog box as well. Here you also have this merge cells. So the merge cells also, here also if you you can select this particular option and say okay, it is going to give the same effect as it was here in merge cells. Let's move to the next option, that is wrap text. Wrap text is if suppose your data is like this, that your data is in a particular column or in a particular row, it is not fitting into the boundary of the cell, or it is overlapping, or it is spilling over to the next cell into your data. So like you can see the remarks is not fitting into the boundaries of this cell, boundaries of this column. So it is spilling into other columns, neighboring columns. So what you want is that I don't want to increase the size of this cell, but I want my data should be within the boundary of this particular cell. So what I'll do is I'll just select this particular cell, and there is an option called wrap text over here. Just click on that and you can see that data has been wrapped. Similarly, here also I can see that it is this particular data is also moving into the neighboring column. So what I can do is select this one and click on wrap text. Or what you can do is, let me make it the way it was. And now you want the complete sheet, wherever the sheet, whatever columns you have defined, whatever data you have entered, the complete sheet should be having the wrap text. So what you do is just select this complete sheet by clicking on the corner and then just say wrap text. Everything will be wrapping the text now. Same option, wrap text, what you can have is from this alignment option also from here, wrap text. So this is all about the alignment group, guys. For the next video, we will be talking about the number group.